Hello and welcome back to another craft project with Miss Johnson. We're here in the beautiful Blue Island Public Library, and today we are going to be decorating stained glass or sun catchers, however you want to call them. I like stained glass. I think it's elegant. This is a sturdy plastic with smooth edges so they don't hurt you. It's a great kids project. Enough about that. So what we're going to need for this project, I'm using markers. I'm using metallic markers in two different sets. They give me color variations. I'm using a white paper towel because, as you can see, I'm on a black table. And in order for me to catch all the areas that I need to color, I'm going to put it on this white paper towel so I can see better. This is another project that I will have available here in the library as a kit. You can pick it up once you sign up on the events calendar for this particular project. Okay? With that, we're just going to get started. This particular one is about turtles in the sea. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color the sea, and I'm going to use two different blues, and we're going to start with this blue and just kind of color it in. The reason why I like these markers is that they allow me to get in places really small. I don't have to worry about refilling up on paint, and the cleanup is very easy. It allows me to glide through and around. And the nice thing about these stained glass is that they have raised edges, so it allows you not to make a mistake, even if you think, oh my God, I just ruined it. No, you can't, because it has raised edges, which helps guide you in getting things together. Areas that I'll need to color. And with the white paper towel, I'm able to see what needs to be colored and what needs to be left alone at the moment. So I'm just going to go through. And these markers really allow you to get a good amount of product on them and color to come through very, very bright, very pretty. I know I'm going in two different directions with coloring it, but the markers do allow you to go back and do touch-ups. And so, when you're done, just about that I am done, with this exception of this one turtle, which I'm going to color. This is what you're left with. So let me choose my colors for the turtle. I'm going to do a little bit of gold, green, a little bit of bronze, and some other dimensions of green. And you don't have to color this the way that I'm coloring. Use your imagination. You can color any color you like. I'm just kind of vibing on colors that I see turtles as, or that I would want to see a turtle as. There are so many little spaces here. I want to make sure I color them all. And I'm done. And this is the completed project. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next project.